Okay, so this is the Meta Quest 3 virtual reality goggles. Let's go to the store. Here you can download certain games. Actually, I have a couple of ga- apps downloaded already. See, there's Resident Evil. Let's try that. Wow, it really is in 3D.
Resident Evil 4.
Here we go. Let's make it easy. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, next. 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 Uh-huh. Finish. Change. Okay, let's start the freaking game. Seems like the left controller is
1998.
can't use the right
I'll
controller.
never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains. Soon after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise, Umbrella. The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City, and hit the peaceful little town with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation. Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize Raccoon City. With the whole affair gone public, the United States government issued an indefinite suspension of business decree to Umbrella. Soon its stock prices crashed, and for all intents and purposes, Umbrella was finished.
Okay, here we go.
6 years have passed since that horrendous incident.
Here we go, here we go.
I received special training via a secret organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of protecting the new president's family.
Coño, why am I the one who always gets the short end of the stick?
Yo, who are you really? Come on and tell us.
Okay, let me skip this.
You are a long way from home, cowboy. You have my sympathies.
Okay, I'm skipping. It's taking too long to start. Here we go. So many delays in this game.
Just up ahead is the village.
I'll go and have a look around.
We'll stay and watch that car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Jeez, who are these guys?
Did you say something?
Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Okay. So.
Leon, I hope you can hear me. I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear. So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter of the president. So try to behave yourself, okay?
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
Okay, let's skip this stupid thing here. Let's skip this. Okay, starting the game. Oh, you move from using your left controller stick. I'm using my left controller stick right now. Moving, moving, moving. Let's see, moving. Oops, moving. Let's see what we got here. I think we can stop recording this.
Excuse me.